Are you helping us?
Put your finger in there. Bite it.
That's how we're gonna crack our nuts.
Sweat time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh.
Good morning. The holiday vibes are happening.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, the tinsel on the tree.
Let me know if you guys think this is a good idea. So I was thinking, since I'm not doing Vlogmas, as in like uploading every single day, but I do a holiday series during the Christmas time, so during the holiday season, so I do Let It Snow, because it's a play on my initials, SNO. What if, since I'm not uploading every single day, because mom life, having a 1-year-old, I just know my limits. What if I start holiday videos now, like in November, and just giving you that holiday vibe? And so it's like more videos. So it's not necessarily like every single day in December, but you get more holiday content. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing, I don't want to give this like a crop. What do we think? Are we into the crop? I don't want to cut this, but yeah, I just feel like a gray blob. In this video at some point, I might just crop this. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. So if you are following me on Instagram, you know that I'm doing a November challenge. I even made a video about it, so I'll leave that video down below. I basically made a calendar for November, and it's to help with health, your wellness, and gratitude. So we could really enjoy the month together and just work on our goals. And really just like, even though some of the things are so small on the calendar, it inspires you to take action. So a lot of us, we can say like what we want to do and do a lot of talking about it, but this calendar is supposed to help you create that action, create that change. So this video is going live on Sunday, my Sunday reset. Every Sunday on the calendar, I did a Sunday reset, and I want to show you a little bit of mine. So even if you're seeing this video later, whenever, join the challenge. If it's November and you're watching, just join the challenge. It's fun, and just pick up whatever day we are on. As you can see, when I'm doing these resets, it's not like a glam day for me at all. A lot of times when I'm filming, I'm into being like really glam, and that's fun too, but I feel like for a reset day, it's nice to just be cozy. I like to be in sweats. I like to cook a lot, make a lot of different things, and clean. So cleaning has been my jam lately, and that's never anything that I thought I would say, like ever. But ever since I've had big fitness goals after being pregnant and then breastfeeding, now I'm like 2 weeks not breastfeeding, or 3 weeks, and I'm just ready. Like, I have such big fitness goals, and more so like losing fat. I kind of lost a lot of the baby weight, but it's more like losing fat. How far I've come, and especially like the side profile. And I'm so proud of my stomach and like the progress and all of that. And one thing that really aligns with my fitness goals and my health goals and cooking for my family, like I've had such a love for homemaking lately and just making everything so nice for my daughter. and my husband, who's been working so much more, so I love to have like lunch for him, dinner for him, and obviously me too. I eat the cleanest when I cook, and my daughter really enjoys her meals when I make them. But I found that when the home is clean, like whatever goals you have for November or for next year, whether it's saving money, whether it's to buy a house, whether it's to lose weight, whether it's health goals, whatever it is, I promise you, if you enjoy where you're living now and it's clean, you will get those goals. Like having fresh towels and having the kitchen really nice and cleaning out your fridge. Like I'm so much more inspired to eat healthy and do my workouts and do all of that when I have a clean home. For me, weight loss and a clean home go directly together. I'm trying to lose weight. That's when my home is the cleanest, funny enough. I need to know where everything is. I need to know where my workout stuff is, so I pay more attention to that. I need a clean fridge so I can grab a healthy snack and all that good stuff. So right now, so you saw me put in the towel laundry earlier today, and now I'm just folding it. And this is my first tip when it comes to cleaning, since the challenge today is reset day. And I just want to give you this tip. Laundry was always the most annoying thing for me, and now we like rarely have it. And that's because one, I have 2 laundry tips for you. One is we do laundry every day. This is our self-tanning towel, by the way. Me and my husband both self-tan, and this is the one we put on the floor if we have to like wipe something. Just throwing that out there. It's like one of those ugly towels. We do a little laundry every day, and this might be because we have a baby, you might not have to, but we do it every day, and that way, like today, it's just this. Yesterday, it was just workout clothes. The day before, it was just my daughter's clothes, and it's less overwhelming. So that's my first tip. And my second tip is only commit to doing laundry on a day you could do the full shebang. Like washing, drying, folding, putting away. What me and my husband used to do, and that's why we used to hate laundry, is because we would throw it in the wash, go about our day, say, oh yeah, it's home being washed. You know, we're going to grocery shopping, we're gonna get the meal prepping going. You know what happens, forget about the laundry. Then you gotta rewash it, dry it. Now it's Monday, not getting to folding it, and it's annoying. So we only commit to laundry when we can do the whole thing. Okay, so next up on the to-do list is my meal prep. So I've been using Green Chef to help with my weight loss journey because I like to get the low carb options. I also do the paleo option. So this has been my hack for losing fat, losing weight, is meal prepping my lunches. I think because I work from home, I can get really out of a rhythm with lunch. I could overeat, I could snack more, or just not eat the healthiest things. So what I'll do is I'll make Green Chef for lunch now. So as I'm making this, I'm eating that, but then also I'll prep the other half for tomorrow's lunch. And that's why I do Green Chef once a month, and I do it so often, is because as a busy mom, it's just so nice to not have to think about what I'm making. They take care of all of that, and I get to do the fun part, which is cooking. So they send you the meals. Everything is so delicious and vibrant. They have the best seasonings. This is like a paprika seasoning, and I love sweet potatoes. I've never had a bad meal from Green Chef. They're always creative and just things I wouldn't think of having. And Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. And the best part is they have a variety of different meals. So I do the keto and the paleo meals. You can also do vegan, vegetarian. There's something for everybody. Just check out their website. I will leave a link down below, but I just love how everything comes out and how the directions are step by step. And you know, if you've been watching my channel, I'm obsessed with truffle, and this was a truffle meal, so I was all about it. If you guys go to greenchef.us/SamO125 and use code SamO125 to get $125 off, including free shipping on your first box. And I will leave all of that down below, and these were some of the other meals I had during the week. So then the next thing is I have mom brain, and I will add more to my to-do list, things that I forgot. So I meal prepped my lunch for tomorrow. That was the Green Chef. But then I also have to meal prep for my family. And before we start another cooking meal prep, I make a cup of coffee. Like, woo! Mama needs her coffee with all this cooking. Honestly though, I live for it. I live for being in my leggings and cooking, and my daughter just woke up from her nap, so she's like extra clingy. It's so cute. So the next meal prep I do is my proteins. I've been telling you guys this on Instagram, prep your proteins, just do it. So I am making shredded chicken, and the best part is you can add shredded chicken to everything. It's really simple. Sometimes I use chicken breast like I did today. Sometimes I use bone-in chicken, but basically I will just boil chicken with water and chicken broth. Once it comes to a boil, I let it simmer for around 50 minutes, and then I just shred it with 2 forks. So it's so simple, and that's how I make my shredded chicken. Take a handful of just plain shredded chicken, and I put it in a container, and this is for Violet. So you guys will always ask me how I cook so much for me, my husband, my daughter, but it's really just about prepping and like having things ready to go. So for me and my husband, I make buffalo chicken. So I add celery and dill, and it's so delicious. And then I mix Frank's Red Hot because it really is the best. It's the best buffalo sauce. And I mix it with ranch. And lately I've been loving this avocado ranch. But whatever ranch you have, they mix really well together. And I'll just go to Whole Foods and just find different brands. I'm not really like brand loyal to any of them. Then I mix it all together, and we make lettuce wraps throughout the week. And I just keep making shredded chicken, and we keep having lettuce wraps. And then the last thing that I prep is tomorrow's dinner. So I don't even do the whole thing. I just give myself a head start. So tomorrow we're having shrimp pasta, but because Monday is just, you know how Mondays go, I like to know that it's mostly done and all I have to do is prep the shrimp. Okay, so you might hear my dishwasher and have that going again. But anyway, so I store it in the fridge, and then I put the Parmesan cheese on top. That way I don't forget to add it. And then when I get the shrimp, or if we have it with chicken tomorrow. But yeah, just keep like everything that goes together, like together, and then you don't forget what you're making. Every Sunday reset, like everyone can agree. Target. Oh, that's cute. This is just not our kid. Our kid does not fall asleep in Target.
No.
Our kid goes wild in Target.
Stressing out.
Look at her. Oh. Where are we going? Oh yeah, that's a fun game. And then the last part of my Sunday reset is cleaning up the kitchen. But I do this every night. I cannot wake up to a messy, dirty kitchen. And you guys already know I load the dishwasher at night and unload in the morning, like you guys saw me do in the beginning of this video. And that's how I keep it nice and clean. And oh baby, the checklist is done. My daughter's sleeping, so I'm just kind of whispering right now until we go in my room. But the next thing is, I would encourage you guys, like when you're done with your Sunday reset, at the end of it, if you're like me and you like to make a list, put this on your list, but I kind of like, it's already embedded in me, but just think about on Sunday like what you have going on for the week. So the first thing that jumps out to me is the calendar, is the challenge, so the November challenge. Take a look at what's coming up next. We have our silent walk. Little Target haul. I always get these PJs from Target where they kind of just like come in this set. They are so soft. I still have mine from last year and the year before. They're just my favorite. So I got another pair. These were in that, like, you know that section when you first walk into Target and it's like the, I call it the dollar section, but everything there is like $3 or $4. These were $3, I think. Cute little things. Harper is pretending she's a puppy right now. He's so cutesy. I got this little holiday dress, and then the robes we were wearing this morning. These are the matching PJs for her. How cute. I feel like she would look so adult in these. I'm literally like, oh. That is my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ow, Jared, get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the challenge. If you're new, go to my Instagram. You'll see all the details. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.